In continuation of the first video, this demo continues with the data entry for Mr. Donalds with adding of family group members. First, the client must be searched by entering the insurance number. Then, we click the button Search. Under Families Groups Found, the entry data of Mr. Donalds is displayed. Click on the yellow field to open the date entry interface. All data that have been entered before are now displayed in the tables. Click on Injuries to add. A new page opens where the selection of relationship is possible. We choose Spouse to continue this example. The insurance number of the spouse must be different for each insured individual. Entering a similar insurance ID displays an error message. To show that the entering of the same data as the husband will trigger an error, I enter this example first the insurance number as example of a mistake. I enter Sophia under Other Names and enter Donalds under last name. Then enter the demographic data. For the gender, we select female in this case. The marital status is married. Enter Yes under beneficiary card as this was applied before. Just as a note, all these names are fantasy names. The locations do not exist. Enter Aktalabi under current municipality, enter Holobo under village. We do not enter any current address details since they are the same as with her husband. Choose housewife as a profession. Education is secondary school. We do not enter phone number, email number, and she does not have an ID card in this example. It will not trigger an error to have the blanks as above. Then click Save. Now the database is providing an error message that the insurance number already exists. As a real-life example situation, the printed blanco insurance card would be in consecutive numbering. Accordingly, I replace the last 0 with a 1. Click Save again. Now it is fine. Now you can see Gabriel and Sophia Donalds. Then we continue in this account and add a child. Relationship is son or daughter. The insurance number is now ending with a 2. Enter Joseph under Other Names. Last name is Donalds. Then enter date of birth. Enter male under gender. Marital status is single. Enter Yes under beneficiary card. The region is Alpha. The district is Jambero. Current municipality is Aktalabi. The village is Holobo, and then click Save. The family of 3 is saved in the system. All 3 have an insurance card in his hands and are in the system.